Good morning, students. Today we are going to see using protractor to draw the following angles. Okay, so we'll use the protractor, okay, to draw the following angles. Now we have to draw a 40-degree angle. So how to draw 40-degree angle? Now in order to draw any angle, first draw a baseline. Okay, first draw a baseline. You can use the scale for drawing the baseline. Now I am having this protractor. So with the help of this protractor, I can draw a baseline. Okay. You can use scale also. Okay. Use a scale. Draw with the help of scale. Okay. If you are using scale, draw with the help of scale. Okay. Now, so this is the baseline. Okay. First straight. Now I have to draw 40-degree angle. Okay. I have to draw 40-degree angles. Now, so this is my baseline. This will consider where the angles are marked 0, 1, 2. So this will be my baseline. ये नीचे का baseline नहीं होगा. Okay. So in the projector also, this the black line which is there, it is a baseline. Okay. So this baseline, the black line which is there in the projector, okay, that is the baseline. Now you have to put half part of the projector in center. Yeah. यहाँ पे center करना है. Okay. Half part, center part. Okay. This center part here is a semicircle. Okay, so that half portion, okay, center point, okay, that you have to keep, and the line should match with your black line, baseline. Okay, if you observe there are two measurements, okay, that is 0 degree, 180 degrees. So the baseline which is touching your black line of base, the line which is touching your baseline of your projector is considered as 0 degree. 180 degree discard हो जाता है. 0 degree is correct. You have to start from 0 degree. Now there are two scales, inner scale, outer scale. Now, so inner scale 0 degree is starting, and from outer scale it is 180 degree. So you have to take inner scale. So 0 degree, 10 degrees, 20. Main hint is that says whenever you're measuring angle or drawing angle, so the baseline which is touching your projector's line which is touching a baseline, this consider 0 degree. ये consider करके चलना है. So 0 degree automatically confusion हट जाता है. So which angle scale to so 0, 10, now it is 40 degree. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. So 40 is there. So put a mark here, put a dot here. Okay. Now draw that angle. So it is 40 degrees. I can give the name A, B, C. A, B, C. Okay, you can give the name A, B, C. Okay, so A, B, C. This is 40 degree. Okay, now this was one day. Okay, you can draw from that side also. Okay, suppose I am drawing a baseline. Okay, as it is acute angle, so it is close. छोटा सा माउथ दिख रहा है, बड़ा wide open नहीं है. That is also a hint. Okay, so if I want to draw that side, okay, so see here, 40 degree, the baseline which is touching this is considered as 0 degree. So here from this side, outer scale you have to take because inner scale you don't is there. Okay, so see here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, yes. So one more conclusion you can make from right hand side. From right hand side when you are drawing, so when the ray is to the right hand side, the outer scale is we are taking for consideration, and when the ray is towards left hand side, we are taking inner scale. Okay, so yeah. Now this will be a baseline, simple concept. Baseline which is touching this baseline, it is 0 degree. So 0, so this 40. Okay, 40 degree. degrees. Suppose I am writing A, B, C. Okay, this is 40 degree angle. Now Hope you're getting. Now I will draw other angle. Next angle is 125 degree. 125 degree. So 125 degree. So I will just draw 125 degree. Okay. So first I will draw a baseline. सबसे पहले क्या करना है, एक बेसलाइन ड्रॉ करना है, लाइन ड्रॉ करना है, सीधी सीधी बात. Okay, have to construct a line, baseline or a baseline ray. Then 125 degree. So this point which is touching this is considered as 0 degree. So 0 degree. So here till 0 180. So I have to take inner scale. Here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 to 125 degree. 125 degree. So here, yes, so 125 degree. Okay, you can give the name as PQR. PQR. Okay, now here angle PQR. Okay, so this is the angle. Okay, now next we can see that now 125 degree we got, then 25 degrees will be acute angle. Now one more concept, that is 90 degrees. Okay, one more angle. This was B1. This was B1. Then C1 90 degrees. Okay, C1 90 degrees. Then next, just draw a baseline. Just draw a baseline. Okay. Then here. So here. So next here will be 90 degrees. Okay. So here. Okay. Like this you will draw. Okay. Okay. So this side. If you're drawing from this side, angle will go like this. Okay. So I hope so you're getting the concept. Have a nice day, students.